In our previous class we discussed the topic, social issues and problems, cultism. In today's class we will learning the topic, national unity and integration. Integration is the process through which different parts come together to function as a whole. Nigeria as a country with over 250 ethnic groups functioning together as one is an example of integration. Without unity, not even a two-thing can function. Needs for national unity and integration. Nigeria is made up of more than 250 ethnic groups with varying cultures. Each of the ethnic groups had lived separately for centuries before the British rulers brought them together. For Nigeria to develop, she needs to come together for every member to have a common sense of belonging. The country can only witness development if there is adequate security. Foreign investors will establish industries when they are convinced that properties will not be destroyed either because of political, religious or ethnic crises. Importance of national unity and integration. National integration promotes peace and harmony in a society. It reduces areas of conflicts among different groups. National unity and integration ensures security of lives and properties of citizens from internal and external attacks. If there is national unity and integration, the resources in different ethnic groups could be jointly exploited and enjoyed. It allows Nigerians to live and work together in any part of the country. It promotes a sense of brotherhood and love among different cultures. So, national integration is the bond and togetherness between people regardless of their caste, creed, religion or gender. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.